To reduce the flickering inside Davinci Resolve 17. So here we have a clip which is flickering, it's vibrating pretty badly. So one way to reduce that flickering is to come here to the effects and in the search box type in Deflicker, and it's on the open effects. If you click there it's not visible, so open effects and Deflicker. Drag this one and drop it onto your flickering clip. FX logo appears there, and at inspector and effects the deflicker is here, so you can delete it from here afterwards because it's not doing a great job, so the video is still flickering. So this plugin, it's not working perfectly, and because of that I will delete it. So that's one way to reduce your flickering. Move that one up and move that one down. Now click outside here to deselect everything and Alt and drag this video clip up. So Alt and drag and move it to the left. Now zoom in with Alt and scroll up. Zoom in well until you see the individual frames up here. So if I press left and right, it's jumping quite big amounts. Okay, now let's see, for example, those public toilets behind there are pretty dark in this frame, and if I go to the right, they are brighter. To the right, to the next frame is dark again. Bright and halfway dark and dark. Okay, so I will simply drag the left side one frame to the right, that's it, and then pull it to the left. Okay, and to make both of the clips visible I have to make the top one transparent. So click on the top clip, and here at inspector, video and composite, here we have the opacity. Reduce the top clip's opacity to around halfway. Okay, and now it's seeing through this one and it's seeing that one also. And since this has a halfway visible toilet there and the other one is kind of identical, now the flickering is reduced. So let's disable the top one to preview it. So this is how it looks without the top clip, so it's flickering. Okay, and if I enable it, this is how it looks with the top clip. So we just added another copy of the same clip. It's delayed just by one frame, so that is not really visible, and it's halfway transparent, and that's it. So once again, without the top clip it's flickering, and with the top clip I just enable that one, it's less, so I cannot eliminate it completely, but it's reduced.